Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install Postman software Mac operating system. It's very simple and what exactly features ongoing this particular software we can see. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab, Google, and just type here Postman for Mac. Enter. The first link is display here. I am putting this link in video description. You just simply click here, and this application available on App Store also, like Android and iOS. Postman desktop agents also available. I just simply download for the Mac. Here in the 4 different varieties are available: Mac, Linux, Windows 64, Windows 32-bit. It's quite simple. After download, you just simply click twice, wait couple of seconds, and now this one is installed here. You just drag and drop the particular application file. I already installed, but I replaced this one. So the Postman agent is here. So now I open this one, click here twice. The software is automatically comes here in top of the screen. Open the Postman. So now we need to create an account here. I go with my email address, selected this email address, yes, accept. It's quite simple to download, install, and access this particular Postman software. What is your name? My name is Research Rock. What is your role of closest, like a backend developer? Yeah, I'm a backend developer. API documentation, monitoring, continue. Team name Rocks, team URL Research Rocks, enter. So now verify the email address. So I verify here email address 9@gmail.com and finish. It's quite simple. You can use this one and invite your colleagues or your student in the Postman framework. Good evening, Research Rock. It's quite simple to download, install, and sign up the Postman website. Like here in my URL is display here, like researchrocks.postman.com. This is my website framework, and now I can use this platform. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.